So, you bought the DJI RS2 gimbal a few years back and it worked perfectly until this happened. And you think to yourself, I'm gonna throw this piece of technology away and just go buy a new one. Turns out these things are pretty expensive, and if you go for the more premium options, then you might have to sell something you don't want to. No, don't do that. Not worth it. What if I told you that with a little practice with a soldering iron and a couple of bucks for the part, you can fix it yourself? I'm actually an experienced FPV drone maker, and this shouldn't be a problem for me, right? The part that is broken is actually this little joystick right here, and it costs almost nothing. I ordered it from China, and it's a couple of bucks. There'll be a link right somewhere here. You'll find it, right? I ordered a bunch of them, and you know why. So obviously, I've done this a bunch of times. It's actually my first time. But you know what? It's not mine. So it could be worse. It could be mine. Sorry, Andy. The first thing you're going to want to do is remove the screws. 4 hex screws. 2 are located here on each side of the screen, and then 2 here on the bottom. You see? Remove them. Remove the screen. Be very careful. There are 2 cables. Do the ribbon cable first. Just pinch it and pull it. Okay, I got it. Now, socket here. Okay, we've detached it. Now you can put the gimbal aside. Now we work on this part. We have to remove these 2 screws. They are actually Phillips type screws. When you open up this part, there's actually a glue here on the ribbon cable. Now, you can try to brush this off, but I'm just gonna leave it for now. Okay? Just remove the joystick, and here we have the broken part. It's actually this spot here. There, we're gonna try to replace. No, we're gonna replace it. Okay. Now, I'm gonna remove this joystick by just heating up these pads with my soldering iron and using this solder removing metal thingamajig. I don't know what its official name is, but just the solder, the old solder that sticks here and cleans the plate basically. Okay, now let's do that. I'm using this Omnifixo. This is a third hand, as we call it. You can use basically whatever you want. You can just different things that help you just hold the chip still while you work on it. It's very important. Well, I just had a beer and had a great idea. You know, I've been struggling with this wire and this pins, so I went ahead and just chopped the tips off. But well, I know it's not the right thing to do. Do it at your own risk, but Maybe it works for me, it will work for you. So I removed the old tensiometer and cleaned the board with alcohol, but we may be in trouble. I damaged the board a little bit, but I hope it's okay. There's only one way to find out. Now we gotta install the new joystick, and there's really only one way that this goes inside. Just you have to remove 2 pins. Basically, the middle 2 pins that are between the metal parts, right? You see, there's a metal part here and here, and there isn't one on the other side. So you have to snip off this middle part and this middle part. Okay, let's do that. Try it one more time. Yeah, we have 2 more if we mess that up. Okay. All right. We did it. So it looks something like this. Okay. Look. Okay. Now we must solder the pins. Let's do that now. Believe it or not, this is actually the easiest part. Right. There you have it. The new joystick is installed. Now, let's just hope we didn't mess something up. Always, when you solder, you need to clean the flux with alcohol so it doesn't short circuit. Wait for it to dry, and then we will assemble gimbal and see what we did. Now, let's see what we did. Ha? Jó, uzsgolasz-e? Man, I think we did it. Look at that. And it stays. Nice. Okay, I'm actually happy. I'm actually for a moment there I thought we lost it. It was kind of fiddly pulling the old joystick from the board, but eventually I got it. I had to drink some beer to help me. I wish I had some more tools with me to make this process a little bit easier, but look, it's okay. Everything works. This gimbal is ready to be used again, and I'm very happy. I'm very happy. So, thank you very much for watching.